We're watching earnings. Earnings season's starting to wind down, but this week, some of the biggest retail names are going to be reporting. That's going to make news. Doug Flynn, a certified financial planner and co-founder of Flynn Zito Capital Management, is here. Hey, Doug, good morning.
Good morning, Cheryl.
You know, I guess we have to start with, let's just call it the Amazon effect. Brick-and-mortar companies cannot seem to get ahead of Amazon.
That's true.
Are we going to see anything different this week in the story?
Maybe a slowing of that. The most interesting thing I've seen about, like, let's say JCPenney and Macy's and some of the other stocks is, like, if you would have invested $10,000 into JCPenney 5 years ago, you'd have $1,200 today. You'd have about $6,000 in Macy's, but you'd have $46,000 in Amazon, just to put it in perspective of how different those things have gone. So I think it might be stabilizing a little bit for some of them, but they've got a long way to go. Whether
you're Macy's, whether you're JCPenney, whether you're Sears Holdings, I mean, these names really need to give us some strong forecasts for the holiday season. Of the major companies reporting this week, who do you think might actually give us an upside surprise in the forecast for the holidays?
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if some of them do have an upside. Actually, a number of them can, primarily because consumer spending is up, consumer discretionary is up, home sales are up, people have more money. Actually, if you look at debt relative to assets, we're at the lowest debt ratio to assets that we've had since the year 2000. So people have more money and they're spending it, and some of them are going to go back out and shop a little bit in the stores. I think that'll help a little bit. So I wouldn't be surprised if they do have some increase in earnings, but I wouldn't get too excited because remember, JCPenney is a penny stock. Even if it doubles from here, it's still a penny stock below $5 a share.
Yeah. But, you know, I don't know. Macy's, you got Nordstrom's. I'm curious where Tiffany's going to be. I mean, some of these names may hopefully give us a little good. The economy's doing better, so you hope that will certainly affect consumer spending. Doug, thank you very much. I always appreciate you getting up early for us.
No problem.